Now and then I think of when we were together, like when you said you felt so happy you could die. Told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. But that was love and it's innate, I still remember. You can get addicted to a certain kind of sadness, like resignation to the end, always the end. So when we found out we cannot make sense, well, you said that we would still be friends. But I'll admit that I was glad it was over. But you didn't have to cut me off, make it like it never happened and that we were nothing. And I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger and it feels so rough. No, you didn't have to stoop so low, have your friends collect your records and then change your number. I guess that I don't need that though. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. You're just somebody that I used to know. I heard you got a main chick, a mistress on the low. You be up to no good and everybody knows. My homegirls try to warn me, they try to let me know, but what you got I need a lot, so I can't let you know. Oh yeah, 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 I need that body. Oh yeah, 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 I need that body. Oh yeah, 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 I need that body. Oh yeah, 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 I need that. Can't get enough, can't get enough. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Can't get enough, can't get enough. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Can't get enough, can't get enough. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Somebody that I used to know. Now and then I think of all the times you screwed me over. Part of me believed that it was always something that I'd done. But I don't wanna live that way. Read it into every word you say. You said that you could let it go, that I wouldn't get you hung up on somebody that you used